On today's episode, we're going to talk about the new construction community in Sarasota, Hampton Lakes. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Sarasota Discovered. I am Sarah Leicht, realtor here in Sarasota, Florida. If you're new to my channel, we talk about real estate and a little bit about all things Sarasota. Throughout this video, if you have any suggestions or comments, please put them below. Also, I'd greatly appreciate a like and subscribe. If you are interested in buying or selling property in Sarasota, you can reach me via call or text at 941-402-3837, or feel free to email me at sarah@sarasotadiscovered.com. Now, Hampton Lakes is a little bit different of a community, as in it is a new construction community and it is being built by a builder. Now, Hampton Lakes is a little bit different than the larger acre communities in Sarasota, being as it's still under construction. Properties in this community are about 3 to 8 acres, and the overall community will consist of about 350 homes. It is about 10 miles east of 75 off Fruitville Road. It is a gated community, and they offer 3 model homes that are furnished for you to walk through. They are selling, however, 8 different floor plan options. The homes in this community will run on septic and well. All homes are single-story homes, and they average between about 2,300 square feet and about 4,100 square feet, all with a minimum of a 3-car garage. The schools for this community are Tatum Ridge Elementary, McIntosh Middle, and Booker High. If you are just looking or you are ready to buy, give me a call. I'd love to schedule an appointment for you, take you through the model homes, and show you the different floor plan options. If you'd like additional information on the homes that are being offered in this community, please reach out to me at 941-402-3837. Also, feel free to put any comments below and I'll be in touch. As always, thanks for watching.